Hello guys, what's up? I welcome you all to video number 4 of JavaScript playlist, and I hope you have gone through all my first 3 videos because it will create some understanding as to why you should learn coding and some history. I have already mentioned those things. Please go through that because those are the roadmaps that you can understand how to proceed things further and in simple words. And as you can see in this particular video, we have mentioned in my thumbnail that I'm going to discuss about statements and syntax. And this is the base of the entire coding journey that we are going to do. And something that which I am going to repeatedly mention in each of my video is that please maintain consistency, and nothing has happened in single day. If you want to get the result, get the desired outcome, you have to follow certain things, certain pattern for a certain period of time. Okay, before losing our time, let us start understanding what is statements and syntax. See, for learning entire thing, you need certain compiler. Okay, in other tutorials and the other guys whoever are teaching you JavaScripts and all, they will use different IDE, okay, platforms which uses HTML and other things. But since I have mentioned that I'm starting directly as my first language as JavaScript, just use online JavaScript compiler, which I am going to attach in my description box. Okay, use that link as you can see on my right hand side, which I'm using it to use it as my environment. Okay, it is online compiler. You can do run it on your mobile phone, or you can even run as I am telling you. Okay, let us start directly, like what is statement, okay, and what is syntax. If you can read what I have mentioned, statements means how should computer understand what you want computer to do. Whether you want to add two numbers and you want to search something. See, basically whatever we are doing, we are going to make computer do our work. Okay, and why we are doing that? Because we have understood in my previous videos that when things become large, when there are a lot of calculation, a lot of things has to be done, we have to depend on computer, and that is why we are there in the tech world. Okay, so statement means how we can explain computer that hold these values, how much money I have given to which person, right? The computer has to understand, right? Okay, we will take an example. When we will code, we will take an example, don't worry about that. Syntax are like certain steps or certain set of instruction rules by which we have to write our codes. Then only the computer will understand. For different languages we have different sets of rules, but what is the basic thing you have to understand? Whatever we write, like you can see something I have written var ram is equal to 100, this all is going to run from top to down. That means computer will run first this first statement var ram is equal to 100, like that it will go down, and then it will go down, and then it will run. In the sense, computer will read all of these things one by one from top to down. Okay, this is very important irrespective of whichever language you learn. Is very helpful when we go to the project level, because see, whatever we are learning in order to build something. Okay, we are going to add up all the pieces to build our things. Okay, that's how you are going to get job, and that's how you are going to do something for yourself. Okay, and we are going to have a lot of fun for that. So you can see that I have written syntax, statement I have explained you. Let us directly go to the code which I have written on my right hand side, and this is the compiler. The link which I have given, just open that link in Chrome, any of the browser, and see statement. Let us understand statement first. If you see carefully, we have written var ram is equal to, so let us understand one particular simple situation. Imagine Ram, Lakshman and Sita planned for a trip, and they planned for a trip to a certain place. So imagine our parents gave Ram 100 rupees, Lakshman 200 rupees and Sita as 300 rupees. So now if I tell, okay, how much money I have given to whom, I want to know. If I ask computer tell me how much Ram has, how much Lakshman has, and all together what both of them has. For that to happen, we have to tell na computer like this much we have given to Ram, this much we have to given to Lakshman. For that to happen, what we have to do, just see this. We have to write like var, just write this. Okay, we are going to run in another, okay, online JavaScript compiler. You can search. Okay, just go on this tab and just remove everything since nothing is required. Delete everything. See, main.js is like what you are asking computer to run. Whatever we write inside this, computer is going to read it one by one, and at the end it will give the outcome. Okay, so let us write like, see, just follow what I am saying. Var is called as keyword. This is the keyword to defined variable. I'll tell you what is variable. So imagine here I told ram. So we are telling computer that I have parent has given ram 100 rupees. So like we have to write var ram is equal to 10 100 rupees. Okay, give a comma, sorry, semicolon. Okay, then we have given Lakshman as 200 rupees. Okay, then Sita has, imagine, as 300 rupees. Now I ask computer, remember, just use this console.log. If you don't know anything about it, just use it like something that will give us computer. We are telling computer to show what is your understanding that what we have given to Ram. Okay, so like this, tell me what Ram have. Similarly, like console.log. Okay, what Lakshman has. And then similarly Sita. And what you do, just go to right hand side output, or else no need of going, just you can see this button, right? Just run this and you will see this, it is showing 100, 200, 300. Okay, so what you can see, this is all called as, you can see it is ending with semicolon, right? This all are called as statement, and we have written first one line, so first line, second line, third line, and this console.log, whatever you're seeing, this is like output section. Okay, so this all are called as statement. Okay, no need of getting confused, just follow. As we proceed further, you will start getting understanding of it. Okay, and these are called as syntax. Now imagine we see one more thing is that it is possible that RAM can hold so many things, right? RAM can hold documents, RAM can hold cache, and Lakshman can hold something, right? When they are going on trip, Sita can hold the kitchen stuff, like she can hold all the food. So that means they can hold so many things, and we have to tell computer that please hold this, please hold that. So we can just for a purpose just write another like, so you can see in this thing I have written RAM is equal to document. Imagine RAM is holding documents, Lakshman is holding money, that is cash, Sita is holding food, and when you run whole thing, you will get something like this. Okay, as of now just understand this, execute this, and go through certain resources. Okay, you can go to Google and search like what are statements in JavaScript, read it, see how much you understand it. No problem, we'll proceed further. Okay, with that, thank you. Please share this video to your friends and your community, because when you're learning you definitely need community, or else it is going to be very difficult. For any doubt, please comment. I will be happy to answer all of your questions. Okay, bye bye, thank you.